Now we're going to work on writing a sentence. So I will say the sentence and let's count how many words we have. Pat has a cap. Let's count the words. Pat has a cap. We have 4 words in our sentence. Now let's look at that first word, pat. Let's segment how many sounds are in pat. P, a, t. Awesome. 3 sounds in the word pat. So before I begin writing that word, I want to remind you about our language arts lesson about capitalization. And the first letter in our sentence always needs to be capital. So I'm going to start my P with a capital P. Our next sound was a. T. Now we have our first word, pat. Let's think of our next word in the sentence. Remember, we had 4 words in our sentence. Pat has a cap. Has. How many sounds in the word has? A, s. 3 sounds too. So let's begin spelling that. H, a, s. Pat has. What was our next word? A. Awesome. If you remember our locking and loading, A. Just 1 sound in that word. And our last word was cap. Pat has a cap. Let's segment how many sounds in cap. K, a, p. Awesome. Let's spell it. K, a, p, cap. Now let's reread our sentence. Pat has a cap. We have our 4 words. Now, before we end, what goes at the end of our sentence? That's right, punctuation. So we need to go back and add a period at the end of our sentence. Now we are all done. Go ahead and try writing this on your own on the next slide.